have created something cooler than cool, but ice cold. Let me get that for you. It's our universal cooler strap. We constructed it with a stainless steel ratchet so it will not rust in the rain or in any moisture. We have 10 gauge steel on either end so your mount will not bend. 2 5/16 hole, so if you put it into a deck of a boat or in the back of a Jeep, it will not pivot. We also designed it to work with any stud kit, so depending on your UTV, you can use this with it. We have a 1-inch strap here for a 400-pound load rating, so none of your Capri Suns are gonna fly out when you're going down the trail. We have a collapsed length of 6 inches and expanded length of 24 inches. We designed our cooler cleat to work with cooler slots that are 1 inch wide and range up to 1 3/8 wide. After installing your 2 5/16 bolts, you'll grab your cleat, put it in the side of your cutout in your cooler, pull your strap taut, pull down on this release lever, then you're gonna ratchet it. And then how you undo it, you just pull up here, and then make that all the way flat and parallel, and then it's loose again. So that's our universal cooler strap. It'll fit most coolers. As you can see, it's very secure, so it's not gonna slide around or shake in any environment. And the great thing is, you'll have your beverages once you get to your destination for a great time. My name's Taylor, and stay lit.